Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to set up Wjoy WiFi Extender using the WPS Push Button. This is the easiest method to set up the any extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, plug the Wjoy extender into a wall outlet near your router for the initial setup. Close range helps the devices find each other. Wait 30 seconds for the extender to fully power up. Most extenders show a solid or blinking power LED when ready. The WPS button is usually located on the back panel, next to the Wi-Fi on/off button, near the LAN ports. It may be labeled as WPS, WPS/reset, or have a 2-arrow symbol forming a circle. Hold the WPS button for 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS LED starts blinking, meaning the router is waiting for a device to connect. The router now stays in WPS pairing mode for about 2 minutes. Within 1 to 2 minutes of pressing WPS on the router, press the WPS button on the Wjoy extender. The extender's WPS LED should blink while searching/pairing, then turn solid or change color once paired. Allow up to 2 minutes for the devices to complete pairing. The extender's Wi-Fi/signal LED will usually show a successful connection, solid green or similar. The router may also show a new client connected. After successful pairing, unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between the router and the area you want to cover. After a successful WPS pairing, the extender creates new networks, your Wi-Fi_XT, 2.4 GHz, or your Wi-Fi_5G XT, 5 GHz. No password is required to set, it automatically copies your main router's password. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.